Good morning and welcome to ProPilot Aviation. Taking a look at weather again, and this is a very interesting scenario that I have not seen before. So it doesn't mean it hasn't happened, of course, but this is we're getting Santa Ana winds with clouds, and normally the Santa Ana winds come with high pressure in the area. This is with low pressure. So you can see high pressure over here, but this is counter-rotating. And there's low pressure over there and low pressure over there. So this high pressure that should be clockwise rotation is not happening. We're getting a counterclockwise rotation with moisture. So the low pressure is bringing moisture in and lifting it up into the atmosphere, condensing, causing the clouds. And then we're forecasted to get some rain. You can see the rain and moisture over here from the radar composite already. So that's what a low pressure does, as we know. Here is an occluded front, cold front. No front associated with this, but a low pressure trough over here. Take a look at John Wayne Airport on KSNA, Santa Ana, on the 15th day at 13:53 Zulu. Winds 180 at 4. So right now they're more normal going into the from the south. 10 miles scattered at 5,500, scattered at 2,300. Temperature 13 dew point 3. Altimeter 2977. Low pressure right there. And the counter rotating winds here with Santa Ana type winds in the inland area. Of course, when this rotates and hits the mountains from the on the east side, it's going to be more lifting, and the air temperature is cooler above, so that's unstable conditions, and then you get these potential thunderstorms, which is what's forecasted. Let's take a look at this right here. Burbank, UUA, it's an urgent pilot report. At 1440, 5,500, SR22, severe turbulence. That's not good. We're having difference in winds. The winds out of the south down here, winds out of the north over here, out of the north over here, out of the south over here. It might be only 5 knots with the wind barbs, but nonetheless, they're opposite directions. Therefore, you have a wind shear situation and that turbulence at that point. Here, you've got over Palmdale at 0008 from the Palmdale VOR 180 at 8 miles, and time is 1400. Flight level 330, a B38 M. Looks like a Beechcraft. Not really sure what that is. Continuous moderate chop at 33,000. Okay. So yeah, not sure what kind of airplane that is. Maybe someday I'll look it up. Oh, here's another report right there. So another one just came in, looks like. Let's see what that one. Come on. Wake up there. At least they could have been on top of each other, but I don't recall. That's that UUA or Rose Bowl. And let's see, it's SR22. This one is SR22 over Rose Bowl. So maybe it's just an additional report over here. Turbulence severe over the Rose Bowl. So maybe this is more the correct location for the Rose Bowl. So it's just a report for Burbank Airport is my guess. What do we got over here? Big Bear, wind 050 at 8, 14, variable. I got to look at that again. It's throwing me off for some reason. I don't know why. 5 statute miles in light snow, overcast of 1,000, -2, temperature -4, dew point, altimeter 2977. So yeah, that's throwing me off for some reason. I'm not sure if the ceiling's 1,400 variable to 8,400 is my guess on that one. And but it doesn't say the type. It doesn't say if it's, here's overcast at 1,000, so that's what's throwing me off. I'll have to take a look at what that means and see if the legend tells us right now. Nope, I didn't think it would. So anyway, let's take a look at the prog charts. Over here, we can go here to prog charts and zoom out. I like the other prog charts better, so I can go over here to the decision supports imagery, which is another way of getting to the prog charts. And prog chart there, got at 12 UTC on Friday, which becomes 5 a.m. Same type of stuff we're looking at. The isobars are far apart, but nonetheless it's very windy. Taking a look at the next one. That's at 6 on Friday, so that's actually earlier time frame. This would have been last night at 11 p.m. That's one of the things I mentioned. Just make sure at the validity. 12, that's 1800 UTC. That's now 11 a.m. So there's our thunderstorm projection right there. That trough there and the low pressure system there. I don't see any of the high pressure that the other one is showing for this time frame. So I think I better get out to the airport before that starts happening. The one thing that I did want to get is this one here, METARS. And so let's take a look at the area, KSNA, not just one airport, KLGB, KLAX, KONT, and be more winds up there, KSBD for San Bernardino, and KCRQ and KSAN. Take a look at what's been happening, include the TAF. I did the decoding the other day just to show someone that things are missing in the decoded METARs that are available in the raw. So winds 180, 180, 10, scattered 5500, ceilings look okay. Here we are 12 to 6, 15th day 1200, 16th day 1200, wind 060 at 11, showers in the vicinity. Again, Santa Ana conditions with showers in the vicinity. I have not seen that before. Broken at 5,000, broken at 10,000. Temporary from 12 to 1600, 060 at 12, gusting to 20. That's getting to the point where it might be a little interesting. At 1600, that's 4 p.m. That's going to be 10. That's 9 o'clock. That's when we're supposed to be taking off. And then at 1800, 190 at 11, gusting to 18. That's a wind shift. Okay, from 060 to 190, 160, and gusty winds now from the south versus from the northeast. Not sure we're going to make it today, but we'll go check it out. That wind shift can cause some turbulent day. I'm seeing the wind beginning to pick up right now, so maybe make a phone call and see what. Yeah, I'm going to make a phone call here in a minute. Okay, I better get going. Long Beach, 090 at 2000, 190, no gusting conditions. John Wayne Airport tends to be in the area where we get more gusts from the northeast winds, northeast winds that come over the Santiago Peak area. Those mountains in that vicinity tend to cause the winds that come over the mountains to then descend and accelerate. So we get it more over there. Los Angeles doesn't have much of that stuff, but John Wayne is looking like it's going to have some interesting stuff. Ontario, that's the one I said it's going to be windy or gustier. They're just looking at 12 gusting to 50 from the northeast. 050, showers in the vicinity, at midnight. Midnight on the 16th becomes 5 p.m. our time. But at 1600 we have this, and I'm seeing the winds already. San Bernardino, 33010, gusting to 20. We're not going that direction, but just looking in that vicinity. And now I'm just looking at an overview, quickly looking at the time and the wind. The clouds and the showers in the vicinity. So just kind of overviewing the whole thing there. Winds are 100, variable at 4, showers in the vicinity. Light rain, showers and light rain, broken at 4,000. 22011 gusting to 17. So it's rather interesting there. The same time frame, the winds shift to the south, and I'm saying shift to the south, but over here variable at 4, so they're kind of light and variable. San Diego at 1911 gusting to 17, and then at 0100. So this is supposed to last most of the day, from about 9 or 10, 11 a.m. for most of the area until the end of the day. So pretty much what I thought. Let's take one quick look at this and satellite. And right now with the satellite, I'll go to the Pacific Southwest first. Still going to have the nighttime imagery. So there it is. And then, yeah, you can see the strong low pressure counter-rotating. And so it's the west side of the low pressure system that's bringing us the Santa Ana winds over here. Interesting. So I'll just look at this one also, but go here to the Pacos, whichever way you want to. Okay, the sun's coming up. So it's that low pressure. So there's 2 low pressure systems over here. I didn't see any high pressure in some of the other charts, but so that's what's causing it. All right. Have a good day and have fun flying. Be safe. We'll talk to you soon.